I just went out to my car and found an AM station, which I never listen to AM. But I know there's a station locally that I can get. I know that's going to have the hurricane updates throughout the time the hurricane's passing through. Because I'm probably going to lose power, and a lot of people are going to lose power before the hurricane even hits the shore. Which means power loss means no TV, no internet. Maybe you'll have cell phone, but you won't have cell phone if the tower gets knocked over or the cell phone dishes get interrupted. The only sure way of getting news of what direction the hurricane is heading in, to know whether it's heading for you or heading away from you or passing you by or when you're out of danger, is you've got to find a AM radio station, or it can be FM if you can find it, on your car radio. That will give you information, valuable information you'll need during this hurricane when the power goes out.